Hello, my dear students. Neeraj again with the same chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Question number 4, fourth part, a very important and different word problem. What is that? Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of two car? So what is given in the statement? I am going to discuss first. Look at this figure. Suppose here is a place A and there is a place B, and the distance between the A and B is 100 kilometer. A car is at A and the another car is at B. Both the cars are having the different speeds. Now the distance between the two cars is 100 kilometers. At the same time, the car starts from A and B with the different speeds. After some times or after 5 hours, they meet at C. That is the first condition. And what is given in the second condition? Here is the car A and again B, again the same distance, that is 100 kilometer between the two places. One car starts from A, other from B, but in opposite direction towards each other. In opposite direction, in the same direction, the car is moving to this side and the B from B moving this side. They meet at C. If the car moving from A to this side and B to this side, they meet at C after 1 hour. So now they are moving on. There are two cases. One is the opposite direction, other one is the same direction. So the cars are having the different speed. That is the first part. So we will assume first part. Let the speed of first car be, I'm taking it as u kilometer per hour, because they are talking about 100 kilometer and 5 hours. So I will take the speed in kilometer per hour, and the speed of the second car will be v kilometer per hour. V means I'm taking any constant. It can be xy, it can be uv. In the science we are normally using the terms u and v, so I am using here u and v. So now I am going to discuss the respective or the relative speed. In the science you have studied about it. What is the respective speed or what is the relative speed? The relative speed, what is the meaning of relative speed? A speed of one thing with respect to the another thing. Relative or respective speed of two bodies means the two bodies are having the different speed. Then if they are moving in the opposite direction, then the speed will be added, means sum of the individual speeds if they are moving in the opposite direction, and if they are moving in the same direction, then we will take difference of their individual speeds. Now according to the question, we have taken their speed as first car as u and second car as v. Now according to the question, one thing that is given, first part, if the car travel in the same direction and if the car travel towards each other, means in the opposite direction. These are the two main points. So what we will calculate, first, respective speed of both cars while they are traveling in same direction. Same direction, in the formula we have done, if the two bodies travel in the same direction, then we will take the difference of their individual speed. So what will we do? Here u minus v kilometer per hour and respective speed of both the cars while they are traveling in the opposite direction. In the definition we have studied that if they are moving in the same direction, difference. If they are moving in the opposite direction, then we will do the addition. So in the opposite direction we will do the addition, and in the same direction we will do the subtraction. U minus v and u plus v, that is the speed. Now we know the formula of speed. Speed equals to distance upon time. So what is given in the question? Look at the question again. One car starts from A and B. If the car travel in the same direction at the different speed, they meet in, look at this, 5 hours. What is 5 hours? 5 hours is the time and 100 kilometer is the distance between them. So first part, u minus v, I am taking the speed u minus v if they are moving in the same direction. So 5 is the 5 hour is the time and speed is u minus v, and the distance between them is 100. So s into t equals to distance according to the formula. Take 5 on the other side. When you take 5 on the other side, then it will become 20. So first equation is u minus v equals to 20. In the other part, second part, look at the second part. If they travel toward each other means opposite direction, they meet in 1 hour. Distance will be the same between them. So distance is 100 kilometer and they meet at in the 1 hour. So r 1 hour is time and u plus v is speed equals to 100. Then u plus v equals to 100. There are two equations, first equation and second equation. You can apply any of the convenient method. So we can see here the terms are same, so I will apply the elimination method. So by elimination method, first equation implies u minus v equal to 20, u plus v equal to 100. You can see here v and v are having the opposite sign, so we can directly eliminate it. So I will add both. So after cutting, you are getting 2u equals to 120 and u equals to 120 by 2, that is 60. So the value of u you are getting is 60. That is the first part answer. Now substitute that value in any one of the equation. I am going to put in the first one equation, that is u minus v. 60 minus v equals to 20. Take 60 on the other side, it will become minus 40. Minus v minus 40, both will be cancelled out. V equals to 40, and that is the answer of the second part. So what we assume, what is the declaration part? Speed of the first car is u, that is 60, and the second car is v. We have calculated it already, that is 40. So at last we will declare that speed of one car equals to 60 kilometer and the second car is equal to 40 kilometer, and that is a very, very important question. And same type of questions are given in R.D. Sharma. You can solve it or you can practice it from R.D. Sharma also. Thank you very much.